Yeah, okay. So let's go back to where you were before. Okay, so that is what the box that you're showing me right now, that one, what is that one?
Transmitter receiver.
Yeah, okay.
Transmitter receiver.
Yeah,
The one in the back there is our pizza.
pizza. Okay. Okay.
And then I
Hey
can't
Jeff, how are you?
Very good.
Good.
brought in the big guns.
Okay.
So I guess the main thing we're trying to figure out is if we have 9 tracker receiver boxes, are they programmed any differently from each other, or are they all programmed the same?
Yeah, both are the same.
All 9 are programmed the same. So if one's moving and one's stationary, that's how you use them, right?
Yeah, but but I would like to have Ryan walking me through the sequence that we sent him in the PowerPoint. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about this file.
Yeah. So how can I share my computer with you?
Yeah, yes, go to share.
You see it?
Not yet? Okay, now, okay. So, but I'll open the PowerPoint, please. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so open the box by unlocking the 2 tabs, find the USB cable, plug the USB cable into the battery. You did that, right? So I'm already in point 3. While the battery is in the orientation shown in picture step 3, a very bright light white LED in the box should light up. Did you see that happening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, place the battery in its position. Tighten it with a Velcro tape. Well, you haven't done that, but so try to do that, okay? Then push the battery, close the box, is ready to use. Make sure the box is placed upright with the arrow up on the front cover pointing to sky. Have you done that?
Yep.
Okay. To turn off the box or to recharge battery, unplug the battery. Caution, don't change any of the switches in the box. Those switches are for radio configuration, okay? Don't rotate the external USB port on the box wall. It must be at 45 degrees to the battery so the battery can fit in. Okay, because I sent you this 2 months ago, I needed to read this. Okay, next. Okay, calibration box. Okay, so this is a pizza. So you don't need to open the box. You don't need a battery inside this box. So do you read that? You don't need a battery inside the calibration box.
Correct.
Yeah. So you can close that one, right? So the one that you were showing me at the beginning of the video that was on your far right on your desk,
Yep.
that will be closed. That's a calibration. That's what we call the pizza. Okay.
How do you close it with the
Julio,
wire?
yeah, Julio,
Yeah.
there's an antenna wire and there's no exit hole for that antenna wire.
Yeah, so you see in this slide in a computer, you see that the cable is coming out.
All right, I'll holler for you later. Your fault.
Okay.
So, anybody got spare thumbtacks?
Yeah, but here there is something very important. It says,
I'm still.
step 2, it says place the box at a place that has 360 degrees clear view of sky, which is not where you are right now.
Nope.
Make sure the box is placed upright with the arrow up on the front cover pointing to the sky. Make sure the box is secure and does not move, right?
Okay.
So you need to do that, but it's okay. Okay, we're in the setting up process, but you have to do this outside, right? I mean, you have to put this box outside.
Yep.
Then place the external radio antenna as far away from the box as possible. That's very important. Okay. By the way, that's a super strong antenna. I think I told you that already. Okay. Make sure the radio antenna is stretched close to almost a straight line with a little bit of a slack. This is very important. Okay. Again, that's a very powerful antenna. Okay.
Yep.
Then remove the black cap on the side of the box, as you are seeing in step 4.
Yep.
And you will see a USB port. Use a long USB cable to connect the USB port to a power source. Okay.
Okay.
And do you have that happening?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you were talking about a pizza. Your pizza is closed. It will be outside, you know, so you can see the whole sky. It will be connected through a USB, okay, with a long cable to a power source. Okay. If the box moves after it is powered, you must reset it. Okay, so number 5 is very important, right? So basically, remember when you showed me the pictures when you had the pizza in your truck that was like very secure to the truck? So
Yeah.
you will have to find a way to do that again, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, remember, if you move it, you have to reset it again, okay? Don't change any switch in the box. Do not pull on the radio antenna cable because it can displace the components inside the box, okay? So next. Please, okay. Plug in the radio receiver to a USB port on your computer. A red LED should light up. Did it happen?
Yep.
Okay, good. Go to next page and set up software on computer. Okay. So on the Mac, search for terminal and open. On Windows, search for CMD and open it. You will see a command line window that looks like computer interfaces before 1995. Yes. While connected to internet, type in the following command and click enter. Something should be installed onto your computer without error. Did you do that?
Yep.
Okay. Type in the following command and click enter. Something should be installed onto your computer. Did you do that?
Yep.
Okay. The above 3 steps only need to be done once per computer. Okay. Do you understand the meaning of this sentence? So if you go to the field and you have a computer inside your wireline truck, it has to be done only once per computer. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So now the next 2 steps need to be repeated every time you want to start recording. So from the radio receiver. Okay. So remember go back 1 slide, please. One more. So remember, when we are talking about the radio receiver, that's what we are talking about, right? The one in the picture here on the left.
Yep.
And you will and Jeff will 3D print a nice box for that, as he did before. But this is a new model. Okay, next. Next. Okay. The next 2 steps need to be repeated every time, blah, blah, blah. Okay, step 4. Now locate the folder where you place the provided file, computer NB2PI. Well, you already got that earlier today.
Yeah.
Remember the file path of this folder. Okay, so write it down in your notebook. Let's assume it is something like document, new folder, etc. In a command line window, type in the following command and click enter. Document, new folder, etc. So that will take you to the folder. Did you do that?
Yep.
Okay. Step 5. Connect the radio receiver to the USB port of the computer. So the one that was 2 slides before.
Yep.
And then in the same command line window, type in the following command and click enter. Did you do that?
Yep.
Okay, so you've done everything. Okay. Before you inspect the recorder data, please close the command line window first. It will properly stop the recording and save the recorded data. Before you inspect the recorded data, please close the command line window first. It will properly stop the recording. So this underscore sentence, right? From the word before to data file, this is what will basically stop the recording. Otherwise, it will just keep recording. So if somebody asks you, how do we stop it? This is the way you have to do, okay? Then you will find the save data in the same folder where you place the provided file, which you already wrote in your notebook, okay? The save data is named after the date time when it started recording, right? So have you already been able to find that file?
Yep.
Okay, very good. Next.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. So the problem is that when you are opening the data log 2021, okay, so show me that, please. What is the data log?
Right here. This is our data log right here.
Yeah, okay. Open it. Yeah, it's empty. Okay. So the question that Jeff asked was if the boxes already have their code, right? And I said yes.
Yeah.
But you are not seeing that here.
This is what we get right here. When I run that command,
Yeah.
I get these two communication ports come up and it says, hey, we found two. We'll use the first. Created file. This is just a COM port.
Yeah.
And then this is the little radio receiver that I plugged in.
Right.
So I don't know why it's seeing two. I only have one antenna plugged in.
Yeah, I should see only one. Yeah. Okay, I don't know that. But so the other thing is that you should have the pizza exposed to the sky.
Okay.
And then you should have the one that will play the role of the transmitter. You have to move it a little bit around to see changes in data. But you do not have 0000. You don't have anything, so it's not recording. Are the batteries charged?
Yeah, I got 70% one and 77% in the other.
And you bought the batteries that we told you, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. And all the files are like this. Okay, so I will need to get back with you about this. Because everything that we have done here, actually we were getting the data just fine. So I don't know what is missing. It may be, if you could please, if you have time, run your test outside, that will be good.
Okay. Let me give me a few. Let's take about 30 minutes to get all set up and I'll call you back. Now, inside these transmitter receiver boxes, there's a blue little rectangle. It's got probably about 9.
Show me. Stop sharing this file and show me that, please.
All right, let's just say this guy right here.
Yeah.
All right. So you see,
I can see.
You see the blue guy?
Yeah.
All right, there's about 10 little switches there.
Yes.
Do they all need to be in the same position in every single box, or are they all different positions?
Yeah. Look inside the other one.
Yeah, they're different.
They're different?
Yeah. They're in different positions.
Yeah. that's what allows us to give a unique number to each box.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm recording this. Okay.
All right, well, let me.
Okay, yeah, go and do that. Okay, and follow very strictly the sequence just to make sure that we are not missing anything, and then we will talk again. Okay, and then here we will check what could be the problem. But I think that 2 key points here is Jeff's question, which is he's asking if the transmitter receiver boxes, they already have code inside, and the answer is yes, they do have code inside. Your question, Ryan, was how does the system know that one of the 2 boxes is playing the role of transmitter and which one is playing the role of receiver?
Yeah.
And then the third question was why in your computer you are seeing more than one USB port. I think that was your last question.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm on purpose repeating this so then we can review the video. Okay.
All right. I'll
Okay.
set it outside. Yeah. I'll text you back. I'm success.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. And I will. Is Jeff still close to you?
He's around.
Yeah, he's there. Hey, Jeff. I will call you by telephone in a couple of minutes because I need to talk with you about another conversation that I had with Cameron yesterday, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Something looks different in your office. You have walls now, right?
That's a different area.
Yeah, we're at a different part of the shop.
Ah, okay. Yeah, okay. So I will call you in 2 minutes, Jeff. I will be brief, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'll just be right with Ryan, so.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.